To capture the image currently displayed in the active panel, including all measures and annotations, click the Export Displayed Region button on the toolbar. In the pop-up that opens, optionally add a caption and choose whether to send the snapshot to the integrated LIS or save it locally as a JPEG file. Regardless of the selected option, all snapshots are automatically saved in the system and can be accessed from the ROI section of the vertical toolbar. They are also visually represented as black rectangles on the navigation map. Hovering the mouse cursor over an ROI icon in the vertical toolbar reveals details about the snapshot, such as the date and time of acquisition, username, zoom level, area, and caption. It also highlights the corresponding rectangle on the navigation map in light blue. To display the ROI within the viewer, simply click the icon. The system will automatically move the focus on the captured portion of the image.